Okay.
He's gonna like climb over everything on this dresser.
I don't think he can even climb anything because it's not sticky or anything.
He has.
I want to go up to it.
He's gonna do it all over my dresser.
What?
Crap.
Oh, yeah.
Don't like me. Oh, fire top. It's okay. Ow, your claws are deadly. Stop me. Ow.
He bit you?
Yeah.
Just go back into his house then.
He likes to pee. I think that's his second favorite thing to do.
Anything?
You got it on your hands too? He likes to pee.
He's going back into his house. He's going back into his little pouch thing, yeah.
Can't see him to glide. We can get him to glide on this thing.
Yeah, do it.
Pee on it.
Try it.
Oh, his bike hurt. He didn't break skin, but it hurt.
I can't even see him with this thing. Whatever.